Alright, this is again in Linking Ring, April 2018, page 78, which is the 6-card brainwave. So you have six cards like this. You ask the spectator to name any card. Let's say this, pick the 7 of clubs, and then you show them that all the cards are red except their selection, the 7 of clubs. So obviously you have any outcome is covered. So what you need for this is 3 and 3. So usually you have 8 cards, which you have to do an all-round seductive, but this version uses only 6, and this is a little easier. So that's one alternative if you don't want to do the 8-card brainwave. So you just, of course, don't flash this. You ask them to name any card. If they name the top 3, you take the card and just put it face down. That's it, and that's your setup. Okay, so let's say they pick the 9 of diamonds like this. You square everything up. You turn face down, and this is called the how does he call this thing? The omega count. So it's very simple. So you have a situation like this. So you have to do an Emsley, but first you burn a card, which means you take this card, put it back. Then you do your standard Emsley. And then of course you don't flash this, right? So let's start again from the beginning. So you have, like, say, 3 cards on top are red. Oops, this one is wrong. I'll make sure I got this set up correctly. So it's 3 and 3. Doesn't matter if you start green or red or black, doesn't matter. So let's say they pick the top one, then you are set. The second one, take it out, and you are set for your count. And the third one, they take it down, you are set for your count. So if they pick any of these, the bottom ones, you take one card. Let's say they pick the 7, you take the 2 cards to the top. So you basically rectify the position. Okay. In that case, you do Emsley, but first you burn one card, then you do your standard Emsley, and then you have your blue card. Alright, so I guess the difficulty is to remember that first of all, if the first top 3 you do nothing, you're already set up for your Emsley when you burn the first card. And if they pick anything from the bottom, like this, then you take it out, and the 2 cards that remain, put it back on the face, and then you burn one card again, and you do your standard Emsley, starting to spread the cards like this, and you show that they pick the odd card. That's it. It's a nice little version of the 6-card brainwave. I have a version with 4 cards, but 6, 8, 12, whatever you want to do. But this is a nice little version. It's easy to do.